In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step my process of how I write the writing task 2 for IELTS. Let's just get straight on with it. You should spend 40 minutes on the task, write about the following topic. These days, there has been a lot of research on the negative effects that advertising has had on children's health, family relationships, and behaviour. We should ban advertising to children. To what extent do you agree? The reasons for your answer and include relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. So the first thing we do when we look at the plan is I can see that it says health, family relationships and behaviour. So what I'm doing here is that I'm writing some ideas down for paragraphs about health, family relationships and behaviour, all based on the negative effect of advertising. So as you can see, I've gone for I can advertise unhealthy foods because it is bad for the children's health. I was also thinking about advertising violent video games because that could also make them ADHD or pleasure seekers. Family relationships, I thought they could cause family risks by advertising the latest toys and games, which makes children pester the parents, which means that they keep annoying the parents consistently, and then the parents get annoyed and might feel bad, and that is a way that advertising affects family relationships. I also need to talk about the behaviour of the children, so I need to think of some ideas for this in my plan. Maybe I'll use them, maybe not, but I can think, okay, so the behaviour could make the children distracted, it could make them bully the parents to buy them the things, it could also make them hyperactive because of the sugar or the sweets, and it could also make them bad sleep. So first thing I need to do now is write the introduction, and in the introduction I need to sum up and paraphrase the question. And then I need to write a thesis statement, which means what am I saying in this essay? So advertising has been accused of negatively affecting children in many different ways. It is said that it can cause tension in family relationships and that it can also affect children's health and even their behaviour. Are very susceptible to the tricks advertisers use, and this is a growing concern, especially for their parents. Okay, so we've got our thesis statement. We've had a look. It's 182 words. Well, it's 50 words because it's included the question. Okay, body paragraph 1, I'm going to talk about health, and I've looked at my plan. I know we're going to talk about how they advertise unhealthy food. So first, I've added a little linking sentence. A number of factors contribute to the health issues of children, and as such a number of factors contribute to the health issues of children, such as an increased awareness of the dangers of playing outside. But it cannot be denied that advertising to children plays a huge role in their health. Firstly, the type of products that are advertised to young people are full of fat and sugar, which causes them to be obese. The advertisers use techniques such as free toys and colourful packaging to entice the children, which in turn makes them addicted to eating unhealthy food that comes with the toy. Okay, good. Next paragraph. Okay, we're going to go with family relationships. Okay, you don't need to write body paragraph 1 to an introduction in your essay, but I'm just doing it to show you. So not only does advertising make children addicted to unhealthy food, so that is a link to the previous paragraph, and it also starts the next paragraph with a topic sentence. There is also a concern that it can cause a lot of arguments in the family. Then I give examples. When a child sees the newest toy on TV or an unboxing video on YouTube, he or she will complain to the parents that they want it. They will cry and misbehave and annoy the parents until they either buy it for them or they have an argument. This puts a strain on the parent-child relationship. You could also maybe add an example about other countries that have done it or other places that have done it. So some countries already control what they can and cannot be advertised to children to fight against this problem. Okay, that's body paragraph 2 done. Now we need to write a conclusion, which is where you say your own opinion. So my view is that advertising to young children is very concerning. I think that because of the strains it puts on families and the arguments it causes, not to mention the growing obesity crisis of children, that advertising to children should be banned. We can even take steps towards this by first banning the advertisements of unhealthy food and drink. Okay, and I finished there. Okay, so I've got my conclusion, I've got my paragraphs, our quick word count, it's 318 words. Don't do that in your test, but now I'm going to go and have a quick look through to check my answers. You need to take 5 minutes at the end. So as you can see, I'm checking through. Already I've seen a mistake. I've put health instead of declining health. I've put you people instead of young people. So it's always important to go through and correct all the mistakes, because in the band description, you need to have as many error-free sentences as possible. Okay, there you have it, 318 words with an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Also, the most important thing is make sure you have a thesis statement in your introduction, make sure you have a concluding statement in your conclusion, and make sure you have really good topic sentences that sum up the whole paragraph in the body paragraphs. Check out these videos for more tips, tricks, and cheats on the IELTS Writing Task 2.